Here's my 2025 CFMoto 800MT-X, and today what I'm going to do is take out the catalytic converter, put a decat link pipe in, made from these guys here in Tasmania, Australia, Verex. Main benefit of all these is going to be the sound, should sound quite nice, and also get the heat away from the rear shock, and also save a few kilograms. So we'll do a before sound test and then an after sound test. We'll do it again after we put the link pipe in. I'll just find the difference between the decat pipe from Verex, so 715 grams, 714. And then zeroed, actual catalytic converter, almost 3 kilos. So we're saving about 2.2 kilos, which is great. Okay, decat link pipe has been put in. As usual, took a little longer than anticipated. We'll give it a shot and see what it sounds like. Sound a little bit better and much tidier in the area where the cat came out. Looks great through there. Should take a lot of heat away from the shock. Go for a ride later on, see how it goes.